Moving can be a stressful affair, whether it is your home or business. What if you forget to pack something small but important? What if your valuables get damaged? What if the packaging you use is not good enough to keep your belongings safe and secure? There are many such what-ifs that could pop up in your mind, and that is pretty natural. That's exactly why our professional moving services are designed in a way to address those specific problems and help you with a stress-free move. We can help you with commercial moving, local moving, long-distance moves, storage services, and many more personalized services. Call us now to talk to our experts for a no-obligation consultation.